Hello everyone, how are you? So today I am unboxing the Target Beauty Box for February 2019. If you are unfamiliar with this box, it is only $7 per month. It usually sells out pretty quickly, but I think Target's doing a better job at keeping a higher stock because when I looked earlier today, they are still available. So if you are interested, I will definitely leave the link down below. I always leave the links down to boxes that I talk about in the description box if you ever want to check them out. I also will leave down below my 2,000 subscriber giveaway link. That is still going on till the end of the month, so if you have not yet entered, definitely check that out. So this is what the box looks like this month. It's very appropriately themed because, you know, February is known for Valentine's Day, so there's some hearts on here. It's pink, super cute. So I love getting the Target Beauty Boxes. Sometimes they have 2 a month with different themes, but in general they just feature different types of beauty, skincare, bath, all of that. Things that you can actually purchase at a Target. So it's really nice to try things out before you go and purchase the full size. And sometimes you actually do get full size things in here. I know I saw some spoilers because when you go to purchase it, they show a picture of everything, but I honestly cannot remember what's in here because it's been, well, I guess it hasn't been too long. It's kind of sad. I don't remember. It's probably been like a week since I ordered this. Let's see. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. I feel like I have a hair on my face. When you have cats, it just happens all the time. It's like stuck to my lips, but anyways. So it says, love yourself. That is the theme this month. So it says, hot date with your significant other, binging rom-coms with your besties. Valentine's Day might be all about romance, but it's also that one special day where you get to love yourself just a little bit more. To get you in the mood, we rounded up the beauty sweet treats you need to pamper yourself with some extra TLC. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. You always get $3 off on the bottom of the card that comes with it, so you get $3 off any beauty purchase of $15 or more on any cosmetics, skincare, or hair care item at Target. I actually want to get something at Target. I was just looking for it in Ulta, but it was sold out, so I'm going to use this. Have you guys heard of like bio oil? It's really good for stretch marks. I want to try it out and see if it works because I have some like on my hips, and I think I actually was watching Samantha March and she said it was working for her, so. And I saw it was at Target, so I'm gonna go pick it up and I'm gonna use this $3 coupon. To be honest, I've never used it before, but I'm kind of like on a low buy / no buy. I mean, I pretty much only spend money on subscription boxes and food these days. But I think I'm gonna use it this month. So this is good until March 3rd, so that's nice. And on here, it'll give like a little description of each item. It does not give the pricing of the full size items, but when you go on their website with the link below, you can get all the information. All right, so I'm gonna start with this. I like this brand, Love Beauty and Planet. I really like the scent of all their shampoos and stuff. So it seems like they're mainly a hair care brand, I believe, but we also got a deodorant last month, was it, or 2 months ago? So I guess they do other things too, but anyways, this is the Citrus Peel Radical Refresher Uplifting Dry Shampoo. And if my nails look awful, I'm sorry. I am actually planning on going to the nail salon later today after I upload this video to get a manicure and a pedicure because, you know, like all at once they just start falling apart, like chipping like crazy. So I'm gonna do that today. So it says, purify, refresh to reveal amazing hair that makes you smile even on non-wash days. This dry shampoo infused with citrus peel cleanses hair and encapsulates it with energizing freshness. So get ready for a spring in your step and bounce in your hair. So it says, use on days you are avoiding a hair wash or need a refresh or lift me up. I honestly like have to shampoo every day. I have like thin blonde hair and it looks really greasy if I don't, but I still use dry shampoo a lot because I like that refresher later in the day. Like sometimes my hair could look dirty already or just very limp since I have such fine hair. I desperately need a haircut. I think I'm gonna go on Groupon later today and find a place that's like affordable to get some highlights and a cut. But yeah, so I use dry shampoo all the time, so I'm super happy to get this. And yep, all it says on here is pretty much the same thing, that it makes day-old locks look bouncy and full of life. So awesome, I'm happy with that item. Next, I see something by Pantene. It's their air spray, alcohol-free hairspray. And I actually don't really have much hairspray. I don't use it often, but I was looking for some the other day and I actually don't have much in my collection, so I'm happy to get this. So it says this alcohol-free spray provides a flexible hold that leaves hair moisturized and silky soft, no stiffness or stickiness. And then there's a trick under this one that says pesky flyaways, spritz hairspray onto hands and pat them down to keep in place. That's a good idea. I should try that sometime. Then it looks like we have a shampoo and conditioner. I love getting this stuff because all I use is this size, and like from what I get in subscription boxes in my shower. So, and I do like Nexxus products. I think I might be getting some of my Birchbox this month. I haven't opened it yet, but it says Color Assure Long-Lasting Vibrancy Conditioner Shampoo, Protein Fusion with Elastin Protein and Quinoa. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Did I show you guys yet? And I love how Target now puts this tape around the seals to ensure they get their leak free. I love that. And they're really easy to remove. So it says color protecting shampoo infused with a conditioning polymer, locks in vibrancy so strands feel nourished and look radiant. And then it says follow with the conditioner for best results. So that makes sense. And we got both, so that's cool. And the conditioner description says, salon crafted formula uses advanced conditioning technology that locks in color and leaves hair fibers silky smooth. So this would be nice after I hopefully get highlights soon. And my hair needs it desperately. I'm like starting to look like a brunette, aren't I? Like a dirty blonde, I guess. But yeah, that'll be good after I get color treatment at some point. All right, next thing I see is by Dove. It's the Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. So we got a lot of hair care stuff this month. I don't mind them. This is clean and fresh, so let's read about it. That is what it looks like. This stuff is great to have when you travel too. I know like hotels provide some shampoo and conditioner, but sometimes like bringing your own, it can be a little better and less drying. So this is a special formula that renews hair's moisture and balance, leaving strands flake-free. Locks will feel as good as they look. Yay. Oh, what's this? A makeup priming sheet mask. This is by Cubella Professional. It's enriched with natural ingredients. Looks like there's like a picture of a chick on there like taking a selfie in her mask. I am known to do this like on Snapchat, especially whenever I have a mask on. Especially the ones that like don't fit my like big nose. Like I just look funny. I like to snap a selfie. No shame. So let's see what it says about this. It says smooth and toned skin while tightening pores so you can say hello to a selfie-ready complexion. Hashtag no filter necessary. So I guess I'll have to try this out soon before I do my makeup and see how it works. So I love getting sheet masks. I love masks. I was gonna do one today, but I kind of forgot. Oh my god, this is like the cutest baby deodorant. This is by Native Deodorants Coconut and Vanilla. This is what that looks like. Smell it. I got a natural deodorant in my Sunday Riley box, and I've talked about this before. Some natural deodorants, if they contain baking soda, I think that's the culprit at least, irritates my skin, but the one I received does not. I can't say I'm crazy about the smell. Something about it reminds me of cigars. I don't know why. Like it's like smells like sandalwood and stuff. It's like not bad smelling, but anyways, let's smell this. Yeah, it smells exactly like the description, coconut and vanilla. I wonder what the ingredients are in here. It doesn't look like there's any baking soda, so if that's my problem, this is awesome. Let's see if it gives us any information on here. It says the coconut and vanilla deodorant provides long-lasting odor protection that goes on smooth and smells sumptuous. Alright, last thing is by number 7 Laboratories. It's a line correcting booster serum. Sweet, I've got some fine lines, especially on my forehead, that are really getting to me lately, so I could always use something like this. It says clinically proven serum formulated with advanced anti-wrinkle peptide technology reduces the appearance of fine lines in just 12 weeks. Well, this definitely won't last 12 weeks, so you won't really like know if that claim is true, but I'll try it out. I guess if you start to see some results, you can go and purchase the full size. I think number 7's pretty affordable. That's what it looks like. And it says tip, mix serum into your usual moisturizer, eye cream, or foundation for an extra boost. Oh, maybe I'll try it in my eye cream too, because I've got some fine lines on my eyes as well. So I think overall this was a good box. So it was very hair care heavy, but I'm okay with that. I'm really excited to see what this hairspray, or this dry shampoo smells like, the citrus peel, because I really love all the scents of the Love Beauty and Planet products. There's a shampoo and conditioner by Nexxus, the Pantene Pro V Air Spray, the Dove Dermacare Scalp 2-in-1 conditioner, the deodorant, and the serum. So what, we got like 7 items? Yeah, I think that's awesome. So I think this is a great way to discover new things. And if you're like me, you probably have a Target set, like pretty close to you, and you might frequent it because Target is awesome. But yeah, and the mask, we got 8 items. So yeah, I am happy with this month. So if you're interested, like I said, it should still be available at least the day I'm posting this. So I'll leave the link down below along with my giveaway link. So thank you so much for unboxing with me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.